Thank you, Brandon. Certainly amazing to see how far boats have come. Let's head outside to Weather Authority meteorologist Violet Skybers. Violet, you were telling us earlier in the show those rain and thunderstorms and lightnings made its way out of Syracuse, but it's popping up in some new areas, right?
Yeah, we're tracking a line of storms that's now east of Syracuse, and it is exiting out to the east, but there's still some strong parts of this line where severe thunderstorm warnings are active, and still monitoring the threat for more warnings to pop up over the next couple of hours. Here's where the line currently sits from our live triple Doppler radar, sponsored by FALSA service experts. From Big Moose down into Rome, Utica, Hamilton, Cortland, Ithaca, and Elmira. It's a pretty organized line, but notice there are some pockets along this line that are producing some very frequent lightning over the Hamilton area, Cortland, and Ithaca, plus some active severe thunderstorm warnings. Right now, we still have a warning in place until 6 p.m. for areas by Cortland, Shenango, and heading east out towards Beaver Meadow. Another warning further south for a couple of cells that are producing some very frequent lightning, 60-mile-per-hour damaging wind gusts, and penny-sized hail. These are moving east very slowly at 25 miles per hour into the Richford, Marathon, and Lisle area. These will be exiting out to the east as well. We're watching another set of storms to the south down by Van Ethan, heading east towards Candor. Oswego also producing frequent lightning and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So as this line gradually exits east, we'll be drying out behind it, but even though the rain has stopped, there still will be some damage left over. Already seeing some reports coming in of downed trees and wires. Quite a few of them in the immediate central New York area, including Cicero, Liverpool, Manlius, Jamesville, Nedrow, Jordan, Euclid, Minetto, and up towards Lyons Falls. So those are some areas you want to watch out for if you are traveling around this evening. And if you do see any downed trees or wires, make sure to report them. So the severe weather threat continues this evening just along that one line, which should be exiting to the east by about 7 or 8 p.m. This line is along a cold front, which once it exits will actually dry out, but keep some stubborn cloud cover around and get some milder temperatures heading into tomorrow. High pressure will gradually build in come Wednesday with more sun returning, but our next stormy system is on the way in from the northwest. So this line of storms is marching east, should be out of here by about 7 or 8, stretching into Hamilton, Norwich, and now towards Albany. Once it exits, some stubborn clouds stick around tonight. Temperatures drop into the mid-70s by 11 p.m., bottoming out in the upper 60s by sunrise tomorrow, and starting off with some patchy fog. Stubborn clouds in the morning, some breaks of sun midday, mid-70s, then partly sunny for the afternoon, highs in the upper 70s, and even more sun towards sunset. Looking to stay nice as we head into Wednesday, a tad warmer, lower 80s, partly sunny, staying in the lower 80s Thursday with afternoon scattered storms, drying out on Friday, partly sunny, mid-80s, heating up for the weekend, upper 80s, partly sunny Saturday, morning showers, afternoon thunderstorms on Sunday, mid-80s, then still the risk for scattered thunderstorms, mid-80s on Monday. A live look now from our Stanley Law Skywatch Regency Tower camera. You can see those thunderstorms in the distance, but thankfully they are moving away. Just make sure you report if you see any downed trees or wires when you're heading out and about this evening. Back inside.